Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another phone theme. This is a free phone theme with a free wallpaper. So if you guys have been watching my latest videos, I did get a new phone, the Samsung Galaxy S21, and I got a phone theme, but it is not free. So I think I paid $1 for it. I love it, but I did want to share with you guys just another phone theme that is free and that is accessible and available for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys like this video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, and let's just get this video started. Alright, so this is the name of the phone theme and the creator right there. And now I'm going to apply it. So here is how it looks like on my phone. So it is just a super rainbow tie-dye look. It does have like little white stars in the back, and it also has just like all of the colors. I really love how the icons look as well. As you guys can see, they're all different colors, which goes very well with the theme. This is how the phone looks like, just the rainbow pastel colors. And then we also have the messaging, and the messaging looks like this. So we just have the same pattern in the background with like the rainbow pastel colors, and then we have teal messaging with like purple icons for the contact, and the keyboard is pretty plain and simple, but this is how it looks like. And then back to the home screen. So here are the calculator, just white. The calendar is also just white with some teal, and then the alarms are also just a basic white color. And then we also just have all the folders and all the rest of the icons that looks like this. And for our home screen, we are changing it to this free wallpaper that I love and have mentioned before, and I just wanted to use this same one for this phone theme. So here is how it looks like. So it just has like a bunch of stars and pastel colors, and I feel like it goes very well with this phone theme and just how the layout of all the icons look with all the colors. I think it just looks really nice and put together. And as for my lock screen, so I did decide to go with this one right here. So it is the little twin stars, and it is super colorful, so that was the look that I wanted. I just have like this image for my lock screen, and it is perfect because it fits with my lavender phone case. So it is like a purple pink background with the little twin stars in the sky, and just a rainbow, butterflies, little town, and just like cute little stars. So I feel like this star theme just kind of fit together with the free lock screen and just how everything looks. So I really love this image, and I really wanted to use it. But that's pretty much it for this free wallpaper and free phone theme. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!